my baby. No, don't worry. Summer camp is only going to be for 3 months. You'll be so busy balancing checkbooks and learning to appreciate public radio. The time will fly by.
But I don't like any of that stuff. I like editing anime clips to music and reading fantasy books with convoluted backstories.
Mija, your fantasy world is holding you back. Do you have any friends? Real ones. Not imagined or drawn or reptilian. Summer camp is a chance to make some friends. But you have to try. Can you do that?
Yes, Mom.
Oh, I gotta go to work. Your bus is coming soon. Text me when you get there. Cuídate mucho, mija. Que te vaya bien.
Bye, Mom. Where is it? Where is it? Tiny trash thief! Stop adorably hopping away, you... Huh? Whoa, I thought I had a lot of weird stuff. But this is impressive.
Finally, you're back.
Ooh.
Now let's see what we've got here. Garbage, garbage, garbage. Now this will make me rich. And this'll make good kindling.
Excuse me, sorry, it's mine, thank you.
You're not going anywhere.
Whoa!